The liver has to filter the blood that comes from the digestive tract before sending it out to the other parts of the body. It serves as a detox for chemicals and metabolizes medicine to keep the body safe. This is to say that we all cannot function without our liver, hence we must feed it with the right food so we could live a very healthy life. FOODellness emphasizes mostly on the importance of maintaining a good and healthy body. We are aware that for your body to function properly, your organs need to be very active. And to do this, you will need to take some safety precautions to make sure that the health of your liver is not deteriorating. There are healthy meals that are of great benefit to the liver and every other important organ of the human body. The functions of the liver to the human body cannot be overemphasized. It produces bile, which is a digestive juice needed for the absorption of fat into the blood. It produces glucose, which helps store important nutrients and also breaks down toxins. There are over 500 functions of the liver to the human body, ranging from the production of cholesterol, proteins, and minerals. A normal human cannot function without the help of the liver. Therefore, it is important to eat healthy meals that are very essential for liver maintenance and repair. Foods that are good for liver repair include artichokes. This meal helps keep the liver from damage. The elements discovered in this meal can avoid a liver-damaging toxin from having access to our liver cells. This meal belongs to the same plant family as the milk thistle, which is a product made of herbs used to improve the health of the liver. You can have this meal with olive oil or salad for extra fiber. Beans. Beans are not just full of protein, but they're filled with healthy fiber, which helps the microbiome. This microbiome, in turn, helps enhance the health of the liver. So if you need to improve the health of your liver or cleanse the liver, then beans are the best meal for you. Yogurt. Just like beans, yogurt also contains a microbiome. The only difference is that rather than give the liver the microbiome bug loves to eat. This way, the yogurt stimulates the microbes themselves. This is because yogurt contains a high amount of probiotics, which are important gut bacteria. An unsweetened yogurt will help keep your liver in good condition. Cruciferous vegetables. We all know that green vegetables are good for our health. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, kale, chard, mustard, cauliflower, and cabbage help the liver's ability to detoxify the type of meal we eat. These vegetables listed above all have quercetin, which is said to have a good effect on the human liver. Eating these vegetables will reduce the risk of liver cancer. Fatty fish and nuts. Good fat tends to reduce inflammation, which in turn keeps the liver very healthy and protects the liver from certain damages. Eat this meal with at least 3 servings of fish every week, and you can have the nuts as a snack. But to watch the number of calories you take in, you can have a handful of nuts. Blueberries and cranberries. These fruits contain anthocyanins, which are the antioxidants that give berries their different colors. These fruits also have several health benefits. Research has shown that cranberries and blueberries, with their juices included, help keep the liver healthy. You can have this fruit daily, and they can help increase the immune cell of a human being. Coffee. A morning cup of coffee is very beneficial to the human liver, and although it is not a meal, a lot of people love to consume it for energy. Over the years, coffee has been seen to have the ability to prevent the building up of fat, which is available in the liver, and it also enhances the level of antioxidants in the human body. The health of our entire body, the digestive system inclusive, depends largely on the liver. The importance of the liver is to help purify the blood and also create nutrients for the human body. Your liver is a very important organ with lots of important functions, and it is recommended that you do anything possible to ensure that you protect it in whatever way you can. Thank you for watching this video. Please ensure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and family. If you want to know more about how to keep the liver as a healthy condition, then you should watch this video.